Hi, welcome to LDM Graphics channel. In this video, we are going to see the voiceover contest flyer design. Let's see here now. The canvas size is 1275 pixel and the height is 1875 pixels. I'm going to take a rectangle. The rectangle width and height is I'm going to change the color for the rectangle. It's in white now. We are going to add 187 RGB and green is 160, blue is 8. I'm going to increase the width now. I'm going to use the same height whatever we have taken for the canvas size, 1275 pixel width and 1875 pixel height. I am aligning to the artboard now. Next is we need to draw another white border for this background. The white background width is 1190 pixel and the height is 1800 pixels. I am aligning to the artboard now and I am going to duplicate the white border now. Command J in Mac, Control J in Windows. In this duplicate white background, I am going to insert the picture. So we will call this picture panel layer as to differentiate. So we can have the fill color as black because we have a white border. And the width is 1165 pixel, height is 1780 pixel. I am aligning to the artboard now. And this is our image. I am going to insert the image into the black background now. Now I am going to create a clipping mask for this image, so it will be perfectly fit in the picture layer. Now the picture has been perfectly fitted in the correct layer, picture layer. And I am going to add a color I'm going to adjust the color for the image, and I am going to create a clipping mask for the hue and saturation. I am going to match the image with the background color. Right now the image is having purple background, violet background, so I am going to match the light, some yellow shade. Then I am going to add a voiceover text now. Voiceover. And the font is Bearlock font, 30 pt font sizes, and color is white. And the next is below the voiceover text, I am going to add a small rectangle, and I am going to change the rectangle into a round shape. The fill color is 217 186 12 in RGB color. Inside this, I am going to add the text as contest, and the font is Helvita and bold, 20 pt. And font color is black. Now this has been aligned with the voiceover. Now it has been aligned to this image, and we are going to add a address to the image. I'm using the font style is Elvita regular 8pt 123 East Side, New York, USA. This is the address. And I am going to align with the left hand side of the below bottom of the image. Okay, fine. Radio wall presence. This is our headline. All caps. Font is and font size is 11pt. Style is light. Montserrat. I am aligning to the artboard now. And the venue is, the date is coming soon only, so I am adding the text as coming soon, and the font character is Great Vibes, and the size is 22pt. And I am going to align with the bottom of the address right hand side of the image. I am aligning with the image now. It's fine. And I'm going to give a rotation to 30 degree. No, 30 is not working fine, so let's give it as -30. And we got the final image now. This is the final mock-up image. The image will look like this. I hope you like this video. Please like this video and subscribe the channel.